Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a nice little project here. It's a Perl fake virus scanner. So it's quite easy to build, and we're also going to add a report to it as well, generate a report. So first of all, I've created a scalar variable called report path, and that path is to my desktop. So that's where I'm going to be creating the report path after we've scanned our folders. Okay, so we create the first subroutine here, which is called fake virus. So what we do is we print out Perl fake virus scanner so people know what it is, and then we come down here to start the program. So this is the subroutine start the program, and we print start program Y or no. So we give the user the option to press Y or no. So if they press Y, it starts the program. If they type in N, it will quit the program. So we do chomp, scalar variable start, and standard input. This is where the input will be taken, the Y or N here. Then we come down onto the conditional because we are evaluating something. So if start is equal to Y, so if the user type Y in, print enter path, and the user gets to enter the path in here. And then what we do is we create a scalar variable called path, and we assign it to standard input. So that's where we type the path in. And then what we do is we change directory into the path, or we use the generic error message here, or die, if anything goes wrong. So if somebody types in a path that's incorrect, it will just throw an error. Then we use the print command to tell the user what we're doing. So we're scanning, and we interpolate the path here into the string and a new line. So we will be able to see the path that we're scanning, and that's the path that we've typed in up here. And then we use the sleep function here, and we type in a value of 1. 1 means 1 second, so we're going to sleep this program for 1 second, or pause this program for 1 second. Then we come down here and we create an array called files, assign it to glob, and then we type in the scalar path here. Then we're going to go on to a loop. So this is the for each loop, and we create a scalar variable called file, and we're going to go through all those files that are stored in this array here. And again, we come down onto a conditional because we are evaluating something here. So if this file, it loops over all the files in there. So if it matches .txt, and this little bit here means at the end of the file. So if it matches .txt at the end of the file, we're going to print the name of the file here. We're going to interpolate it into this string and print OK and a new line. Or else, if that's not the case, we're going to use the print command, and we're going to interpolate the file name into the string again and print suspicious file with a new line there. And once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're now going to create the report. So let me zoom out there. So we do this by creating a text file. So we create the text file by using open, create a scalar file handler here, and this here is to append to a file, because we're going to be writing more information in. To create a file and write to a file, you just need that. But because we're creating the file and we're writing to the file multiple times, we are appending the file. So we need to use the append mode there. And we type in C users desktop scan report. That's where it's going to be. That's the name of the scan report.txt, and we've got the generic error message here, or die. So if something goes wrong with the program, it will throw this generic error message here. And then finally, to finish off, to tell the user that we're finished, we print out a message to the user, suspicious file report created here. So, and we got the report path interpolated into the string. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to run the program. Let's have a look here. Okay. So Perl fake virus scanner. Do we want to continue? Yes, we want to continue. Hit enter. So I'm going to scan the desktop. Why not? Or maybe downloads is better. Users. Downloads. Hit enter, Okay, we're scanning. So let's have a look at that. That was very fast here. So we're scanning all these and it's telling us we got suspicious files in here. Remember, this is just a fake virus scanner. It's just a joke program, basically. It's fake. It doesn't scan for real viruses or anything like that. It's just a little bit of fun. And then at the end it says suspicious files report created at C user desktop. So let's go and see if we can locate that file. And of course we located it here. And let's have a look inside. Okay, and these are all the suspicious files. So there you go, folks. That's just about it for this. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscription button below. And if you can drop me a comment, give me a thumbs up like that, that will be well appreciated, much appreciated. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.